Hello and welcome to our webinar series about products at FFT Production Systems. My name is Daniel Kümmel and I'm the team leader for HEV and standard products. Today I will introduce to you our FFT IGV Movie 1 ton, which can be used as an HEV or optional also as an AMR. First of all, the key facts about this vehicle. It has a bidirectional movement. It can load up to 1 ton of payload. The vehicle weight is only 300 kilos. It complies completely with C-Move standard and the VDA 5050 standard. The vehicle size is 1200 mm in length, 700 mm in width and 250 mm in height, which leaves us with a very small vehicle with high performance. The especially low height and narrow width of this vehicle enables it to go through small driveways and stations and allow us to drive under very small loads. Expansion options for this vehicle are free navigation by laser scanners, lifting function, which can be integrated up to 60 mm and added on top with even more lifting capability. The result is a wide range of application areas for this particular product. The communication from vehicle to vehicle works over Wi-Fi or 5G. To the plant control we can communicate by Profinet or OPC UA using the Line PLC or MES system. The fleet control is an industry standard via Profinet. Safety communication is possible over Wi-Fi and it's adaptable to customer standards and systems. As software we use C-Move Fleet Control mainly, which can be the master control, which is PLC-based solution in customer's house. The Fleet Manager, which is a server-based solution complying with VDA 5050 standard. And a separate HEV carrier control on the vehicle itself, which is also complying with VDA 5050 standard. Third-party software can be applied as Fleet Manager. Safety features of this vehicle are 2 emergency stop buttons in 2 corners, safety laser scanners also in 2 corners, visual indicators in every corner, an additional acoustic warning is possible, and safe QR scanners for positioning are also an option. The scanning angle of laser scanners is 360 degrees and we have variable protection fields depending on movement direction, speed and surrounding conditions. As navigation concepts we have multiple options which can be track guided, such as magnetic tape, which is robust, can be milled in the floor and uses RFID tags for positioning. QR code is also a track guided system which is optical and can include safety functions, optionally also over safety communication by Wi-Fi. Besides this, we have the option of free navigation in the SLAM method, simultaneous localization and mapping, over C-Move ANS+. We have automatic obstacle avoidance in this option and we don't need any additional sensors for it. A combination of SLAM and track-guided navigation is possible to combine it for higher accuracy. Power supply in the vehicle is done by 48 volts lithium iron phosphate batteries and an integrated battery management system. We use the inductive charging system by Wifarion with 1000 watts, very good established on the market. Our charging concept development is individually for every customer and our target is always a 24/7 production inline charging whenever possible. Sleep mode can be applied for weekend or at night, up to 90 hours woken up by Wi-Fi. Besides this, we have a deep sleep mode to save batteries, which can last even longer but has to be turned on again on the vehicle itself. Thanks for listening to this webinar. If you want to get in touch with us, you can visit our website for more information or write an email to igv@fft.de. For more videos and interesting facts, follow our YouTube channel.